Welcome to e-learning platform. What's SQL? Structured Query Language, an international standard for database manipulation. SQL was initially developed at IBM by Donald D. Chamberlain and Raymond F. Boyce after learning about the relational model from Edgar F. Cott in the early 1970s. This version, initially called SQL, Structured English Query Language, was designed to manipulate and retrieve data stored in IBM's original quasi-relational database management system, System R, which a group at IBM San Jose Research Laboratory had developed during the 1970s. We are using Microsoft SQL Server as a relational database management system developed by Microsoft. Now, let's get started.